Hi, my name is Hannah Wilson, and I'm sorry I lost my voice because I'm sick at the moment, but I'm going to do my best. Um, this is my topic for the assignment Trends in Technology, and it is Robotic Process Automation, also known as RPA. So let's get started. First, what is robotic process automation? It is a form of technology based on metaphorical software robots, or bots, used to automate complex business processes. Software robots follow a sort of choreography that allows them to complete tasks normally performed by humans. It is a combination of automation and AI, or artificial intelligence. While both digital transformation and robotics are not new innovations, RPA has drawn in quite a bit of corporate attention in recent years. Now that we know the basics about RPA, let's talk about how this technology is implemented in our lives. RPA has led to tremendous changes in the way we do business in areas such as customer care. Think of automated representatives that listen to your responses during phone calls and provide different options based on your specific responses, as well as in the areas of banking and finance. Robotic process automation is also used to productively and consistently complete tedious tasks that could otherwise be very time-consuming when performed by hand. Some examples would be reporting data analysis, or generating, archiving, or extracting mass emails. It could also be used within classrooms for tasks like grading assignments and examinations. Robotic process automation has many advantages. Using this technology results in lower costs, seeing as one bot can complete tasks that would take a human employee many more hours to complete. They also operate 24/7, so tasks can be completed while employees focus their energy on more engaging work. Bots are also completely compliant and consistent because of their lack of emotion and opinion, giving them the ability to perform tasks in an identical manner each time. This also reduces the aspect of human error. On the other hand, there are potential disadvantages of RPA. Personally, I am always frustrated when talking to artificial representatives over the phone. Sorry, I said that weird. When talking to artificial representatives over the phone and feel that it offers a less personal experience for customers. Also, in the long run, for RPA to reach its full capabilities, it needs continuous monitoring and improvement. It can only do what it is programmed to do, meaning that in a way, its capabilities are limited. Lastly, the use of automation reduces job positions and overall has a hand in increasing unemployment rates. Robotic process automation is a fairly new and developing industry with endless potential. This technology has mostly been used by businesses or casual business owners, but is now also emerging in the world of developers. Software robot developers could focus on the entirety of this technology's potential. RPA could also be used in schools in the future. This would allow educators to focus even more on their students and on their lesson plans by greatly reducing the amount of time grading would take. Overall, robotic automation process is a technology that allows for greater productivity and consistency in business processes. I believe implementing this technology into schools and many different areas of the workforce could be extremely beneficial and would allow tedious tasks to be completed at ease. However, I personally am not a fan of the use of this technology in the area of customer service. I think that people should be talked to by people, and having a quote-unquote conversation with a robot can be counterproductive in certain situations. Overall, though, I think that RPA has endless and exciting potential. And for responsibilities, since I was sick, I had to complete this assignment late, but I completed this PowerPoint and the script on my own. And then here is a list of my references, which is also included in my script. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day or night.